The damn light, one of those click letters. Little mini shot cup. Damn plastic fork. For those of you who litter, fork you. Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. This is a video response to my brother John, Mi Woodsman, doing a little cleanup, litter cleanup contest. So, you know, cleaning up litters, I'm no stranger to it. In fact, my buddy Dave gave me one of his, I guess he got 2 of them, and he gave me one for going around and picking up litter. Saves your back from having to bend over. So fortunately the site isn't as dirty as it usually is. I mean, I found this place a real crap shack. You know, they cardboard, you know, empty cases of beer left out. It's like, okay, you could have burned it. I don't know why they don't, but I mean, there was signs that they had fire. It's like, burn all that stuff up, man. Let's leave. You can crush the cans, throw them in a box. Even if you don't take it out, which you should, but even if you don't take them out, then you can put them in a bag and just tie the bag up and set up against the tree. Maybe someone with a truck can come get it. Like if I was driving my truck, I would be happy to throw garbage in the back. So I have much more litter to go, so let's get to it. Painstakingly broke. Yeah, aluminum will burn. Sure. Not. Anybody want some Pringles? Oh, didn't leave me any. Just the empty can. Thanks, people. Right over here looks like there's some toilet paper, but I draw the line of picking up feces. It's happened before, an accident, but I like to not make a habit of that because it's just gross. And it's going in the back of my car, not in my truck, so yeah, that's just nasty. So what's nice about having this, you know, I wouldn't want to pick it up with my bare hands and get soaked in stale, nasty drink. And no matter how small it is, it's just a speck of paper and I can pick it up, I will. Shop on it. Good way to get a mechanical injury. Well, I got a bag of garbage. That's one less bag of garbage left out here for someone else to have to look at. So, you know, I've seen stories and whatnot where they found like birds with like garbage inside of them that have died. Sad. So that's why I pick up the small stuff too, because you know some little critter could scoop that up, thinking it's food, eat it, choke to death on a bottle cap. So I shot some footage of cleaning up another site down the road this way that I never really used, so I'll throw that footage in here as well right now. doing everything I can to help clean up. So appreciate you watching. Check out Mi Woodsman's channel. I'll link it below. I'll link his video down there. Please get out there, clean up. Set a good example for others. Parents, set a good example for your kids. Alright. Appreciate you cleaning up. Those who do, those who don't, shame on you. Shame. And as always, I'll catch you later.